Namaste ITV Gold viewers, my name is Lakshmi Singh and I welcome you here every Thursday from 7:30 to 8 p.m. for your favorite astrology show with Himali Spiritual Center. Viewers, we've been off air for a couple of weeks and we've missed you so much, but we are back with Miss Himali ji and she's here to answer all of your questions. Himali, namaste, how are you?
Namaste Lakshmi ji, how are you? I'm good, thank you.
You know, we are so excited to have you back. You know, you are the guru for so many people who watch you every Thursday and, you know, they are just so excited to see you. But before we get into tonight's hot topic, we're going to ask you to please go through the horoscope for us.
Okay, I'll do it very quickly. And it is the most exciting time. I look forward to it this time of the year, every year for Guru Purnima. And this is one of my favorite time of the year. And as we will discuss how it changed my life. Astrology and spiritual is a guidance. It will tell us when is good time, we should enjoy ourselves. When is bad time, we should be aware. But still, at the end of the day, God is in charge, not us. Aries, this is a mixed week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be a little tight. Plans might little bit delay. Students will do well. Friday is a good day for you. Taurus, this is a good week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be good. If you're thinking of getting a job, this is a good time for you. This is also a good time for marriage or any kind of changing in personal life. This is a good time. Students will do well. Tuesday is a good day for you. Gemini, this is a mixed week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be good, but you'll get little sad news in the family that things could little bit upset you emotionally. But don't worry, things will get better. Students will have little difficulties in the study, so students, please concentrate. Saturday is a good day for you. Cancer, this is a mixed week for you. Health-wise, you will have little health issues. Please take care of your health. Financially, you'll be good. You might have some delay in your planning that you were planning for a while, but slowly it will take into position at the ending of the week. Work-wise, you'll be good. Students will do well. Monday is a good day for you. Leo, this is a good week for you. Financially, you'll be good. Health-wise, you'll be good. You might have a little plan of travel or a vacation coming up for you. If you have any pending work, that will also go through for you this week. Students will do well. Thursday is a good day for you. Virgo, this is a good week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Mentally, you'll be little peace. Financially, you'll be good. You will start a new project or do a lot of celebration this week. You will spend a lot of time with friends and family. Students will do well. Wednesday is a good day for you. Libra, this is a mixed week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll be good. Mentally, little stressed out. Things might take a little bit in a bad news or negative news to ending of next week. That might make you a little sad, but don't worry, things will be okay. Students will be well. Saturday is a good day for you. Scorpio, this is a good week for you. You will spend a lot of time with friends and family this week. If you're thinking of traveling, this is a good time for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you'll good. Children will do well. And Monday is a good day for you. Sagittarius, this is a mixed week for you. Health-wise, you will have little problems, so please take care of your health. Financially, you'll be good. Mentally, you'll be little disturbed or little stressed out this week. Don't take little thing into big. Just try to relax and let things go. Students will do well. Thursday is a good day for you. Capricorn, this is a good week for you. Health-wise, you'll be good. Financially, you're good. You will get some good news from friends or family, especially family members. Especially if you have children, you will get good news from them. Your boss will recognize your hard work this week. Students will do well. Friday is a good day for you. Aquarius, this is a mixed week for you. Mentally, you'll feel little stress and disturbed. Financially, you'll be little tight. Health-wise, you'll be good. Work-wise, you'll be very busy. Business-wise, you'll be good. Students will have little difficulties in the study, but Sunday is a good day for you. It's a relaxing day. Pisces, this is a good week for you. Financially, you'll be good. Health-wise, you'll be good. You'll spend a lot of time with friends and family. If you have any kind of relative, family members might come and spend this week with you. Students will do well, and Tuesday is a good day for you.
Thank you, Himali ji, for our weekly horoscope with you, which I'm sure a lot of people who are watching at home know and can attest that whatever you said is going on in their life, because it usually is.
This week we have we have the Eid this week and 3 days to celebrate. So I want to wish everyone a very, very Eid Mubarak. And the most important event that we're waiting, especially me, is this weekend is Guru Purnima.
Yes. The most important topic right now is Guru Purnima, and this is probably one of the largest, most celebrated holidays in India.
Yes.
Right? And, you know, for those who are watching, I mean, I know right now you're always talking about your Guruji and how much he has helped you, and, you know, what he does for you and how he trains you, and any question you actually get, you know, stuck on, the first thing you would do, I've seen you here at ITV Gold pick up and call your Guruji. And right now, viewers, I'm not sure if we can get a zoom in, but Himali ji, because of Guru Purnima, bought the picture in of her Guruji, as you can see. She has candles and flowers, and, you know, she's ready to celebrate this wonderful occasion with him this weekend. But before we get into exactly what is Guru Purnima, Himali ji, how did you meet your Guru?
My Guruji, a lot of people know him. He's known as Chamunda Swamiji. So he has his program. It comes on Colors, Andy TV, and ZTV, a lot of Indian channels. His program does come on. I met him about when I was 26 years old. And I was very blessed that I found my Guruji at that age, and he took me to the right path of my life. I always believe, and I tell people, that your life is lost without a Guru. It's like a navigation. So if you want to go somewhere and you don't know the place, you put it on Waze, you put it on your navigation, and you get there very quickly. And now we have Waze, it tells you what is obstacle, what is about to come, and even there's a cop on the road, you will say. Your Guru is exactly like that. He or she will tell you exactly what is the difficult times in your life and what you have to do. And a lot of us, we make Gurus, but we don't surrender ourselves. We always quick to blame and say if something goes wrong, oh, didn't Guruji see that? But when your Guru told you to do things, you didn't do it. So a lot of people don't understand. Gurus cannot tell you straight away, oh, you have to do this. They will tell you, like, hint at you and say, this is what you have to do, this is what it is. But in our Hindu religion, the mantra, what we say for Gurus, is very, very simple. And it is exactly the way the mantra says. If you live your life exactly the way the mantra it is, that's how simple it is, your life. It is very...
And what mantra?
Dhyan Moolam Guru Murti, Puja Moolam Guru Padam, Mantra Moolam Guru Vakyam, Moksh Moolam Guru Kripa. It's very simple. When you meditate, you close, you should only pray to your Guru and you should see your Guru. And when you do puja, you should do for your Guru's feet. That's why we get the Charan Patuka, that symbolize your Guru. And whatever your Guru says, if your Guru tells you something, that should be your mantra. That is Guru Vakyam. Whatever your Guru says, that is your mantra. And Guru Kirpa, when your Guru has given you all the blessing, you take moksha. You do not have to come back.
What made you decide to take this Guru?
It was, I always wanted, as a child, I was very spiritual, and I wanted someone to understand what I'm saying, what I was feeling, but I couldn't say it in words. And Guruji, my Guruji, when I met him 26, he has said things to me that I never said to anybody. And he told me what I will do when I turn 40. He said, when you are 40, you will take care of people, just like I am. I said, what is he talking about? I'm in finance, I'm in bank. I don't want to take care of people's problems. People have too many problems. And so he said, and as time went, it's not something that you choose or you don't. I think it's your destiny, and this is your chosen that you get to do. And as I turned 39, 38, 39, I started. Just naturally. Before that, I started when I was 26, helping people. I was with him. And then he said, you're going to do it on your own independently.
So when did you decide that this is what I want to do to follow in your Guruji's footsteps and assist people?
I don't feel you decide. I think it's
Decided for you.
It's decided for you. Because it is very big, and I'll tell you today, I do not want to take the burden like my Guruji does. I have seen he does nothing. He's selfless, man. All he does is pray, puja, and how he can make people happy, and all the people that comes to him. And after people listen to him and his voice, it's like they get so peace. Lakshmi, when I get so disturbed and happy and I talk to my Guruji and he tells me, don't worry, everything will be okay, I feel like God, Bhagwan has just spoke to me. I don't know how to explain to you.
Let's take this call. Thank you for calling Himali Spiritual. Your name, please?
My name is Rakhi. Can I speak to Himali ji, please?
Yes, Rocky. Go ahead.
Yeah. Jai Mata Di, Himali ji. How are you?
Good. Jai Mata Di. How are you, Rakhi?
Good. Himali ji, I'd like to wish you and your Guruji happy Guru Purnima.
Thank you.
I've been missing the big Guru Purnima program you guys have for last 2 years. I hope we are having a big thing next year.
Next year, hopefully, Guru Kirpa karenge, and we do have a very big, I was telling Lakshmi that we do have very big event. We have over 200 to 300 people that comes to the event. So this year, unfortunately, we're going to have people who are coming out of state. They will just visit Guruji, and 90% of the people's going to be on the phone doing puja. But I want to wish you a very, very happy Guru Purnima.
Okay, thank you, Himali ji. Please keep me and my family in your blessing, and please same for your Guruji.
Thank you, Guru Purnima.
Okay, have a good day.
Thank you. So it's a very big event we have, and she's right, we do have for the last 2 years because of COVID last year, this year. We are not having a big event, but it is a big event. It's like
So what will you be doing this weekend for Guruji?
We will, very small, limited, we had people, and we will sit and do puja. Most of the people will be on the phone, and then we'll do meditation, and that's when he will give us Shakti, like energy, what we need, and then we get his blessing, and then we'll get prasad and go home. So it will be very simple. Hopefully we'll be there to get Guruji's blessing, and I wish everybody, we'll put it on Facebook. Hopefully everybody will be able to join my Guruji's Facebook, which is Chamunda Swamiji's Facebook, so that they could also be a part of it.
Now, Guru Purnima, how many days are we celebrating this?
It goes for 15 days. Guru Purnima means from taking you from the dark to the light. Tomorrow is the full moon, and then Saturday. From Saturday, 15 days is Guru Purnima.
So for 15 days,
we will do one day. Mostly everybody does the first day, but you have 15 days to go and visit your Guru, give your call, give dakshana, meet your Guru. That is a day for your Guru, because 365 days, your Guru is doing things for you, praying for you, making sure you're okay, doing things you might not realize. You might think, what is the Guruji is doing? But your life is so beautiful, so perfect. It has to be somebody there praying for you. And one day we celebrate Guruji's day.
Wonderful.
My life has turned, Lakshmi, 360 degrees.
Why would you say that? Would you like to share?
I was about 19, and then 20. My mom passed away, then my dad passed away. I was very young, and then I met my Guruji when I was 26. And he's not only like he's my Guruji, like he guides me and he tells me, pray, do mantra. Certain days he will tell me, no, this is not good for you. And the part that I didn't listen to him is the part that I had problems. So when he tells you don't do it, we should listen to him.
Definitely listen. Thank you for calling Himali Spiritual. Your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Jay.
Hi, Jay. And your question today for...
Hi, Jay.
I'm calling to speak with Himali.
Oh, she's here.
I just wanted to say happy Guru Purnima and just thank her for everything that she's done for myself and my family. And she's just been such a great example. And I need the world to hear that, because she deserves all the recognition.
Oh my God. Thank you, Jay. And how is Vancouver?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. He's calling from Vancouver.
Well, it seems like today a lot of your students are calling in, or your followers or godchildren are calling in, You know, Himali, I have to ask you, how many godchildren do you have?
It's difficult. I can't count, but there are a few. Yes, but I feel like they have to pray to my Guruji, go to him for blessing. I am there for them, but Guruji will give them more blessing. I will give little. It's like your daughter, you will give limited, but your mother will give everything to her. So it's the same. I want my students, they will definitely go and meet Guruji tomorrow, as those of you who of them can, and the rest will be on the phone.
Okay, let's take the next caller. Thank you for calling Himali Spiritual. Your name, please?
My name is Minnie.
Hi, Minnie. How are you?
I am good.
And what is...
Namaste, Himali ji.
Namaste, Midi. Namaste, Midi. Happy Guru Purnima, Midi. You'll be seeing Guruji
Thank
this
you.
weekend.
I want to wish you a happy Guru Purnima along with my Guruji Chamanda Swami ji as well. A happy Guru Purnima. He means the world to myself and my family.
Thank you, Midi. He does. Lakshmi, a guru is a different type we have, but he has spiritual power that literally helps us spiritually and heals us in our life. So people say, can we have more than one guru? Yes, you can.
Thank you for calling Himali Spiritual. Your name, please?
This is Yudi.
Hi, Yudi. How are you, Yudi?
Hi, Guruji. How are you? I'm good. Happy Guru Purnima.
Thank you, Yudi. We're going to miss you this weekend.
I know I'm going to miss you too.
But we'll see you this
Everybody
Sunday.
else. What was that?
I will see you Sunday.
Hopefully, yes. Not sure yet.
Okay. You have 15 days, Yudi. Not to worry.
I know.
Happy Guru Purnima, Yudi. Thank you.
Happy Guru Purnima. Bye, Guruji. Love you.
Love you too. Bye.
You know, tonight at ITV Gold Studio, we are feeling all of the love coming in from your students. How would you say they choose you? How?
I feel it's already chosen from our past life. I don't think you literally can go. This is why I tell people when they want to make me as their guru, I ask them, you think and you pray and you meditate and you feel. Because once you make a guru, you shouldn't leave him or she. Like I have this bond with my Guruji. I've been with him for almost 25, 26 years. So it's been a long time I've been with my Guruji. And each day gets stronger and stronger. And yes, you will have difficulties with all relation you do, but that the best when you bring out in each other, that's what makes the relation go. And I think my Guruji brings the best out of me. I said one time to my Guruji, people don't like gurus telling off. So one time my Guruji will always tell me off. He will always tell me off in front of everybody. And I will say to Guruji, why you always tells me off in front of everybody and you're always nice to the rest of your children? So he said to me, when a person, he makes the murti out of the marble, you call him to carve. He carves the marble. And he carves and he carves and he carves and he makes the perfect, beautiful murti so that the world can pray. So he is making me perfect so that I will read it. Rest of the world, people, they chose him as a guru but didn't have that to follow his footsteps to take after. So he's telling me that he's making me perfect so that I can serve everybody better. And I never used to mind Lakshmi. He used to tell me off, and when he used to tell me off, I used to feel there is love behind it. And I used to feel like, okay, if you love somebody, if you love your daughter, you're going to tell her off. If you love your mother, you will fight. But if you don't have no love, you have no fight. You will be very polite. So I said, my Guru really loves me, but I want to know why me. And it's just like, I feel he wants, even I feel so afraid till today to say, yes, I'm going to take his food. I cannot ever fulfill his place, what he is in this world, that he will always be with us. But I feel he's tried, getting me ready to do what he does. And I really wasn't ready in the beginning. I don't think I'll ever will be. But that's what a guru does. You have to realize, a guru might say to Lakshmi, you can eat ice cream. And he will tell me, no, you can't eat ice cream. And I shouldn't ask him and say why he told Lakshmi and not me, because it's good for me. Guru was always going to look what is best for you. You should not see what does the Guru do. People always say, oh, Guruji tells us not to do this, but he's doing it. Maybe it's good for him, but it's not for you. This is a pariksha, means a test that you go through of years and years and years with the Guru before he says, okay, my Shishya, you reached to the place that you do not have to come back to this world again. It's called moksha. So Guru Kirpa, and then you get moksha.
Thank you for calling Himali Spiritual. Your name, please?
Himali.
Hello.
Namaste, Sitaram. How are you?
Namaste, Ram Ram, Sitaram. How are you, Doki?
I'm feeling okay.
Good. You
I
feeling?
wanted to tell you Happy Purnima tomorrow.
Yeah, it's on Saturday. But thank you so much.
Saturday, okay, and you could tell Guruji we call her.
I definitely will tell Guruji. Yes, I will. And we miss you this year. Next year you'll be with us here for celebrating Guru Purnima.
So how are you going?
I am good, thank you.
Here, I want to ask you one question.
Sure.
They have the Sinopharm in Trinidad. Is it safe to take?
Yes, you can take, yes.
That is the only vaccine in Trinidad here.
Okay, you can take it.
If it's okay, then we can take it.
Yes, take it so that you can travel and come and be here. Are they letting you travel?
I think with the Sinopharm, no, they will have to give you, you will get a booster vaccine in America.
Yes, I think there is still in the clinical trial. We're not sure yet when we're going to get the booster.
Safe for Trinidad here, but it's not in traveling.
Okay. But it is good, you could take it. It's not a problem.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Much.
Happy Guru Purnima.
Thanks.
Thank you.
So Himali, have you ever gotten advice from your Guruji and decided not to take it?
Yes, I did.
And what happened?
Big problem. Very, very big problem. I got myself into so much trouble, and that's the only thing. One thing, if I could take back, would be an incident 10 years ago. I only wish I listened to him. There's only one thing. And pretty much I listened to him. I'll fight with him if I don't like it, but I will do it what he tells me.
At the end of the day?
Yeah, at the end of the day, I will tell him no, why, this, and then I will do it.
And how often do you speak to your Guruji?
Oh my God, I think every day. Mm-hmm. I have to run his center in Richmond Hill, so I have to talk to him every day. So I'm very lucky.
If someone is watching this and they have a child, or even they themselves do not have a guru, what should one look for in a guru? What's your advice?
My advice is for them to look for a guru who has what they're looking is spiritual power, someone to help them to remove negativity. Guruji tells me it is very difficult to say, oh, okay, I surrender and go to Bhagwan and I want to live everything. He said that is not part. That's what you have to first live everything in life before you can say, I have everything. And then say you want Bhagwan. Somebody is so stressed, they have financial problem, or they have a personal problem or health issue. How are you going to tell them, oh, leave everything and go to Bhagwan? It doesn't work like that. Mm-hmm. You have to remove all your negativity, all your desire that you want. So you do not have to come back to this world. So Guru will teach you. You have to see what you want from a Guru. People make a Guru because it conveniences them for that moment, and then they leave the Guru. They forget about the Guru. They don't have no meaning. You look for a Guru who can give you things and wait. Sometimes what people do, Lakshmi, if you go to, sometimes what people do, they want to come to you, but they want a result straight away. It doesn't work. Remember, we are in the minus. We must be lacking so many life generation of different things that we didn't do, that we have to pray, we have to meditate, we have to give donation, we have to do puja, so that you can come to a positive, so your life can go positive. People think they came today, they made you Guru, okay, tomorrow everything's going to change. It doesn't work like that way. You have to, it's a constant pray, meditation, and following your Guru's guidance. And through the Guru Kirpa, you will come into the plus. So I was having a lot of difficulties. Like I met him when I was 25, 26 going to be. And I was going through a lot of difficulties at that time, personally, financially, mentally, emotionally, every aspect you can say. And I met my Guruji, and he told me a lot of things why I was going through, why it is happening, and he told me to start, he gave me a mantra and he told me to start praying. And I prayed and I prayed, and seriously, Lakshmi, probably when I was at the age of 33, I felt like, okay, internally I felt there was like, whatever I was going through is coming to an end. Like that was my karma was done, and now I'm going to enjoy my life. It is very difficult to explain how you feel, what you feel. And truly from that age till now, I have really felt blessed. And I feel so happy, like you know me for a little while. If I have a little difficulty, but the back, I know my Guru, at the back of my head, I know, or over me, I know my Guruji is watching over and nothing will happen. And he's there with me like every step of the way in my life. And I could never ask for anything more in my life. I feel if anything I do wrong, it's because of me. If anything I do good today, it's because of my Guru.
That's so beautiful. If someone needed a guru and they wanted to come and visit you, is it something that you do? Do you
Yes,
help children?
yes, I can. I will take, I will see, I will tell them what they need to do. I'll also give them little homework because it is easy to make you a guru. I can tell them, and then afterward they don't come back, then what is it? No use for them. So I want you to feel like if you make a guru, if you have a guru already, could be any, you could have more than one guru in your life. Please today pick up the phone, tomorrow, this weekend, if you can call them, if you can visit them, go and visit them, call them, and let them know that you appreciate everything that they've done for you.
You know, sometimes there seems to be a spiritual struggle where, you know, if you have to go to temple every Sunday, maybe it's a struggle. Or if you have to listen to your Guruji or call your Guruji all the time, it's a struggle. But yet, it's not hard to call your best friend or to go hang out at the park or hang out at a party. Why do you think that it's just so much easier to do something like hanging out versus something spiritual?
It is, it's true, it's so sad. People negative is so much that it distracts them and it stops them, and they don't have that strong willpower to fight it and say, hey, you know what, I'm supposed to go and see my Guruji and he's stopping me. Something is stopping me from good happening. I'm going to go. So people tend to, you know, they feel like, oh, it's not exciting. What am I going to go to see my Guruji? It is boring. Oh, I'm going to go and party. That's exciting. You see, it's like the devil leading them.
It's like the angel and the devil.
Yeah, it's like the angel and the devil. The angel is boring, the devil is exciting. So please do not let that. If you feel something is holding you back from going to visit your spiritual guru, to go to the temple, to go to any spiritual event, fight it and go.
And you know, even with COVID, a lot of people had stopped going to temple, but a lot of the temples are now virtual. So you can be at home and pretty much watch any pundit now.
Yes.
From home. While, you know, it's convenient, people aren't doing their regular pujas that they're doing, that used to do, whether it was, you know, weekly puja, monthly puja, daily puja, or birthday puja, or Navratri
They should go back. Look, weddings opened up, everything is going, people are going to weddings, they're doing, barbecues, every kind of event. No, start doing puja. You don't have to do it in a big gathering. Like we're having this Guru Purnima, we usually have at least, I say 280 to 300 people. We are doing less than 100 people. For the Guru Purnima. So do things, but do it in an open space. I mean, we still have to be careful. COVID is still here. It hasn't gone and it's not going to leave us for a pretty long time. So our immune system, our body has to get used to it. So please do it step by step and do it wisely.
Well, Himali ji, I want to wish you a very, very happy Guru Purnima this weekend. I know that you are going to be celebrating with your Guruji.
Yes,
and
I'm
a
looking
lot
so
of
forward.
Your very own godchildren will be celebrating with you
Yes,
as well.
I want to wish everyone a very, very happy Guru Purnima. Guru Varma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guru Namaha. Dhyan Bhulan, Guru Murti, Puja Mulam, Guru Padam, Manthar Mulam, Guru Vakyam, Moksh Mulam, Guru Kirpa.
Happy Guru Purnima.